Hello guys, my name is Sok Peng from Primary 6 from Kentridge International School, and today I'm going to solve this problem. In 24 hours, the distance traveled by the tip of the minute hand of a clock is 36 times the distance covered by the hour hand of the same clock. If the length of the hour hand is 23 centimeters, what is the length in centimeters of the minute hand? So I'm going to draw the clock with the revolution of the minute hand and the hour hand. So we could make this as the center of the circle, and we're going to draw the hour hand first. So the radius of the hour hand is equal to 23 centimeters. And then we're going to draw the revolution of the hour hand. So this is the revolution of the hour hand. And next we're going to draw the minute hand. The radius of the minute hand is the thing we are trying to find. So this is the revolution of the minute hand. So the circumference of the minute is equals to a radius of minute times 2 and times pi. So since we can't find the radius of the minute hand, so we're just going to skip it to the hour hand. So the circumference of the hour hand is equal to radius of hour hand times 2 times pi, and then it tells us that the radius of it is 23 centimeters. So it's equal to 23 times 2 times pi, and they said it's in 24 hours, so we have to find the distance traveled by both of these hands. So in 24 hours, to find a distance that is traveled by the minute hand is equal to 24 times the circumference of the minute hand. Why? Because in 24 hours the minute hand moves in 24 laps, and one circumference is 1 lap. So we have to take 24 times times the circumference of the minute, which is equal to 24 times radius of minute hand times 2 and times pi. And the distance for the hour hand is equal to 2 times the circumference of the hour hand, because in 24 hours the hour hand moves only 2 laps. So we take 2 times 23 times 2 times pi. So since they said that the distance traveled by the tip of the minute hand of a clock is 36 times the distance covered by the hour hand of the same clock, so the distance of minute hand is equal to 36 times the distance of the hour hand. So they say that the distance of the minute is 36 times the distance of the hour. So the distance of the minute is 24 times radius of minute hand and times 2 times pi, which is equal to 36 times 2 times 23 times 2 times pi. So for it to be easier, we could just turn the 36 into two different numbers, which is 12 and 3. And 12 times 2 equal to 24. So we could just separate it since this has 24. This is 2 and pi, and the other one has 24, 2 and pi. So we could just separate it by 24 times 2 times pi times radius of minute is equal to 24 times 2 times pi, and we have 23 and 3 left. We don't use 36 because it's already divided by 3, and it has 12, so 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So we have 3 left, so it's equal to times 23 times 3. So since we know that this thing and this thing is the same, so we're left with radius of minute and 23 times 3. So radius of minute is equal to 23 times 3, which is equal to 23 times 3, 6. So it's equal to 69 centimeters. Thank you for listening to my explanation. Bye-bye.